Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about my most favorite cheese. It is Cracker Barrel. I'm sorry for the way that I kind of opened this. I made it a mess, but it's Cracker Barrel Sharp White Natural Sharp Cheddar. It is absolutely delicious. I love Cracker Barrel cheeses. They're always really good quality. They're always really tasty, and they're my favorite just to snack on or to put out when I'm having like friends and family over and I want to put out like a cheese spread with some crackers or something. It's really good. Sold in most grocery stores and online, so very easy to get. I love cheese. I'm vegetarian, so cheese is like isolates dairy, so it's like one of my most favorite snack foods, and I like that it does have protein in it too. Of course, like cheese after a while is fattening, so it's like you don't want to have too much of it, but it's just so tasty. So this was the sharp, a little bit about the natural sharp cheddar. It has a balanced and sharp flavor. I guess that's the best way to describe it, is it has a sharp flavor, because it's not bitter or harsh or smoky or anything like that. It just has like a strong, sharp taste to it, and it's really, really good. And I love just snacking on pieces of cheese. I usually put them on a cracker, but you could just have them on their own too. Like you just slice it, and they also make cracker cuts as well. This says Makers of the World, Champion Cheese, keep refrigerated, best when used by date shown, once opened, use within 5 days. So the nutrition facts here. Serving size is 1 ounce or 28 grams, about 1 inch cube. Servings per container 8. Amount per serving. Calories 120. Calories from fat 90. Total fat 10 grams, 15% daily value. Saturated fat 6 grams, 30% daily value. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol 30 milligrams, 10% daily value. Sodium 170 milligrams, 7% daily value. Total carb 0 grams, 0% daily value. Fiber 0 grams, 0% daily value. Sugar 0 grams. Protein 6 grams. Vitamin A 6% daily value. Vitamin C 0% daily value. Calcium 20% daily value. Iron 0% daily value. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. So ingredients: cheddar cheese, pasteurized non-fat milk and milk fat, cheese culture, salt, enzymes, and I hope I'm saying this right, natamycin, a natural mold inhibitor. I think that's the ingredient a lot of people say, because I'm like, I think I have a cheese addiction, because I just love cheese, and like Cracker Barrel is just like my favorite kind. And I was talking to my friend about that, and she's like, it's because it has, I think it's pronounced niacin or natamycin. I think that's the ingredient that they say is like addicting in cheese, because it's so good. And I know that a lot of people that want to go vegan, it's very, very hard for them to give up cheese because it's addicting. And I don't know if it's because it's actually addicting or because it just tastes so good, but I love cheese. Like I can't give up pizza or anything like that. So I wouldn't suggest this kind of cheese on pizza, but just to snack on. And you can't, because the way that it is, it's like small in cubes. You can't really use this for a grilled cheese either. I think the perfect thing to do is just snack on this. And being that the holidays are coming up, I think that a lot of people will be putting like a cheese spread with crackers out before they serve dinner. I know that that's what I usually do. So it's absolutely perfect for that. It contains milk, and it's distributed by Kraft Foods Group Incorporated in Northfield, Illinois, 60093 or 2753 USA. Contains 0 grams of lactose per serving. So I guess that's good for people that are lactose free. Here's the barcode there. Copyright is Kraft Foods. And then this is not how it came, by the way. It just came plain in this. But because I ruined the wrapper, I'm like, I need to make sure I seal it up really good, because cheese can grow mold. I get the cling wrap, and it seals it really tight, and then I don't have to worry about the mold growing, because I'm always like freaked out by that. Just make sure you wrap it really good. Get cling wrap or plastic wrap, and just wrap it really tightly after opening the package. Looks like a stick of butter because the color, but of course it's like a big stick of butter. It's nice and thick. It smells really good. It's delicious and soft and easy to slice. So I hope that you guys will try out Cracker Barrel Sharp White Cheddar, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you found it useful.